I just landed in Seoul, 8 hours jet lag. I didn't sleep at all on the plane, but couldn't wait for the first run. It will be a fartlek today because I have to cope with the traffic light, with the traffic itself. So just warming up, and then I will do a little bit of random speed work just to keep me awake. There is a bridge, a huge bridge just behind the corner. I hope I can cross by foot. Just crossing the huge bridge. Good opportunity for a speed trek without anyone in front of me. Oh, I'm happy this traffic light is red because I feel I didn't sleep last night. It feels like I'm running at 3,000 meters. Those are really cool. I like them. I have enough intersections and traffic light. I'm taking the passage here in the subway. Feeling a little bit better towards the end, but I think that's it. Stop. Well, 11 kilometers. The pace is not too bad. It's just me very tired.
I found a gym. It was open. Well, not the gym itself, but the entrance for the change room and the showers was just open. I even got some shower gel from a guy that was just here. Don't have a towel, so I'm using my pants, but well, I couldn't have wished anything better than this. And I even got clothes in my backpack, so I'm even cleaner than when I started the jog.
I am on Jeju Island, about 100 kilometers south of mainland South Korea. In the center of the island, there is a big volcano, the highest mountain on the island. And today's the plan is to climb up there. The way up is very much trafficated. There are tons of people on the trail. It's pretty difficult to pass over all the time. I'm trying to take it easy because the first part of the climb is the easiest one. Then the second part will be really steep, with the final part even steeper. Oh, it's really steep here. Wow, look at this. A frozen lake covered by snow. That's a crater probably, but not the final one. Just an intermediate step. Whoa! Wow! And now back to the lake and then up to the summit. I made it to the summit. It's really cold. Everything is frozen here, I guess. -6, -7 degrees centigrade. So I cannot stay here that long. I will just have a look at the crater and then I head back down. Now it's possible to record again. Before I had to use both my hands to keep myself on a rope on the side of the trail while I was sliding down backwards on a very steep and slippery and icy trail. Really crazy here with the snow and this lush green vegetation. A little bit surreal. Another epic run beautiful, completely on snow and ice, pretty challenging. Way more snow than I thought actually, and pretty cold. But well, 19 kilometers in just below 3 hours. 2 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds. I really pushed at the end a little bit to stay below the 3 hours.